Eurovision 2019 review for the Hot Wheels Eurovision review. We have a Russian ZIL, we have a BMW, we have a McLaren, and we have a Mercedes Benz. We have a big truck from Maserati trailer. It's a main factory. And we have a Datsun 71 Datsun 510. So begin with the truck. Factory fresh BMW 2016 M2 model. Jurassic World, Matchbox, Mercedes Benz 97 ML 320 AAV, Mercedes unboxing. It will be my first Matchbox unboxing for this channel. Oh, it's so beautiful. Green wheels, military hockey color, beautiful sunroof. Just watch here. It's so amazing detailed car. Beautiful Mercedes, I very love this car. The customization is perfect for it. Next will be this beautiful Maserati truck. Oh, nice. Trailer is detachable. Continental motorcycle tires. Get the grip. Very nice truck. So Maserati have same problem as always. Bad wheels spinning. Front wheels not a problem, but backwards. Oh, this trailer is very bad. So we have unboxing 3 cars right now. The next one will be Mercedes Benz GT3 from Legends of Speed collection. AMG 16. here my beautiful car. Oh, it's wonderful. Hot Wheels on the side. 68 number. AMG. Wonderful black wheels. Very interesting paint job. Many of you guys really love this red Momo Datsun 110. It's a very beautiful car. It looks similar to the BMW, but it's not the same, of course. Just look here. It's for example. It's BMW Datsun and BMW, nice. Maybe we should do a separate video of Datsun's. Little factory error here. Yep, on the painting. Such a rich red color with yellow stripes, very wonderful. Momo Racing. That's a Bluebird 510. Bluebird. It's a really wonderful car. Looks very amazing. I think I should make here orange wheels. I have a Molotov marker for this. To make this wheels look more organic with this case, with this body and with this Momo coloring. You know, it's not a yellow, it's more like an orange one. And the back wheel. Is orange parts. Oh, sorry. Please write in the comments what do you like better, this yellow circle or this orange tuning? Please write in comments, guys. The last one. Orange wheels is more perfect for this car than the yellow was. McLaren P1. Oh. So what do we have for today? Guys, which car from them do you like more and why? Please write in the comments. Don't forget to press like and subscribe to my channel. And of course, we have a beautiful truck today.